my Dhamma brothers, sisters, friends around the world. Today is the full moon day of Ashara. After Siddhartha Gautama became fully enlightened, awakened Buddha in Bodh Gaya, on this very day, he has delivered the first sermon, the teaching of the Buddha. That's why we say Buddha was awakened in Bodh Gaya, or in other words, Buddha was born in Bodh Gaya. It's not the Siddhartha Gautama. Definitely Siddhartha Gautama was born in Lumbini, in today's Nepal. But the enlightenment was born in Bodh Gaya. And Dhamma was born in Sarnath on today, the day of Ashara. I would like to take this opportunity, the honor, to express our deep gratitude and thanks to Honorable President of India and Rashtrapati Bhavan, all the officers and everyone here for allowing us to host this online, virtual, global launching of Dhamma Chakra Day. It's very important for all of us. When there is darkness, we need light. And when there is suffering, we need a means, a way, a path to remove suffering, to overcome suffering. It was the Buddha who spoke to his disciple on this very day. Ubbesu ananusuttesu dhammesu chakhung udapadi jnanang udapadi panya udapadi vijja udapadi aloko udapadi. That means it is not heard before. For the first time, I'm telling you, the knowledge and wisdom I have gained and seen, the higher form of knowledge called abhignana, which can remove the suffering, the disease, the problems of life. That's what he said. Avoid any kind of extremism. Today we are suffering from extreme behavior of humankind. Either this extremism is in the form of hatred or excessive greed, exploitation, or blind faith. Would ask, please avoid either of this extreme. Don't engage in self-mortification, torturing yourself, nor you engage in the sense gratification to the extreme. Take the middle path. That is, we have been given right understanding of the path, the Four Noble Truth, Eightfold Noble Path. I also take this opportunity to express my deepest thanks and gratitude to Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Prime Minister of India, for his valuable, enlightening video message on this occasion. Also, I would like to express my thanks to the President of Mongolia for his message, which is very important for all of us. I also would like to take the opportunity to express my thanks to both the ministers, honorable ministers here on the stage, and also to the Honorable Member of Parliament and President, ICCR, Dr. Vinay Shastra Buddheji, His Excellency the Ambassador of Mongolia, and our Secretary Culture, Joint Secretary, and everyone from Ministry of Culture who are present and who have sponsored and supported this program. Also, I would like to express my gratitude and thanks to our Venerable Lama Jodpaji, Sachidananda Joshi ji, and all the members of the Sangha globally who have supported this occasion from different parts of the world. I also like to acknowledge the participation of Venerable Siavali Thero, General Secretary, Mahabodhi Society of India, Bhante Medankara, Professor Nawang Samtenji, Vice Chancellor, Central Institute of Higher Tibetan Studies, Varanasi, Nanjanla Mahabodhi Main Temple Management Committee, Bodh Gaya, and His Eminence Reverend Khambalama Gabchu Choijam Dambal, Patron of IBC and Supreme Head of Mongolian Buddhist Ganden Tengcheling, Mongolia, and Damadipa Buddhavihara Tripura, and all venerable monks who have chanted this Mangala Charan and Tisarana here today, this morning, and our IBC team members, DG Molay Sinha ji, Ashok ji, Ashish Bhawe ji, everyone, and media persons, everyone, I'm very much grateful to you all. At the end, just I would like to mention that IBC has launched a scholarship program for the foreign students who want to study in India in the universities for higher education. And we have also prepared to launch Dhamma Talk series for the welfare of all. We pray all living beings in the world overcome the pandemic that we are facing today with the blessings of Triple Gem. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, dignitaries. Now let's rise for the national anthem. Thank you, sir. Chakra Parvartana, the first turning of wheel of Dharma by Tathagata Gautam Buddha. IBC member organizations spread over 39 countries shall be celebrating this auspicious occasion whole day under COVID-19 guidelines, and everywhere strict protocol is followed. I, Shefali Saxena, owe my gratitude to International Buddhist Confederation and Team Arts for having me to compare this event. Till we meet next, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.